Today we're going to be talking about the Golden Comet and why you should be adding it to your flock. I'm Danielle of the Slitterell Farm and welcome to our channel where we share new content every Wednesday and Sunday about how we're starting our own homestead. If you want to follow along in the journey, make sure to subscribe down below as we're here every week. But let's talk about the Golden Comet. First, let's talk about the history of the Golden Comet. The Golden Comet was originally made for the commercial industry. They were bred for the commercial industry because they have such a high yield of eggs, and we're going to get to that in just a little bit. But they've actually worked into the homesteading and small farm worlds, which is great, and I think that these are such a great addition to any flock because of all of their great qualities that we're going to go over today. Now, the first thing to know about the Golden Comet is that it's not actually a breed of chickens, but it is a sex-linked chicken. This means that it's going to be a hybrid or crossbreed between two different chickens. And that is going to be the New Hampshire rooster and the White Rock hen. This mixture is going to yield your Golden Comet chickens. What's awesome about this is when they are born, they are sexable. So you can tell between the males and females at birth, and you can easily choose to just keep the females if you are looking for that egg producing. Or if you have a town that doesn't allow for roosters, or you don't want to bring in a new rooster to your flock, this is going to be great because you're going to know from the beginning that it is a female breed and you will have only hens within your flock. There are several sex-linked hybrids, and the thing with this is it's honestly just more confusing than helpful because you're going to see that a lot of different hatcheries call them different names. So beyond just the Golden Comet, you have the Golden Sex-Link, Golden Buffet, Red Star, and Cinnamon Queen, but these are pretty interchangeable in names. You're just going to find these names all around, so I want to make sure that you know what they are. Our chickens are free-range birds. You can see a few of the Cornish cross back there, but you're going to notice that they are a bit of a smaller breed. So the women are going to be around 4 pounds and the males are going to be around 6 pounds. I'm going to throw up a picture on the screen now so you can kind of see a picture of what they look like, but some notable features are they have a single upright comb that is red in color. Their wattle is also red in color, and they have a yellow-brown beak, yellow feet with only 4 toes. So if you do see this chicken, then you're gonna know that it could be a Golden Comet. I alluded to the fact earlier that Golden Comets lay a lot of eggs per year. And they do. They're gonna lay a medium to large size brown egg, and they're gonna lay around 5 per week or 350 per year, which is almost one every day. They also will start laying at around 16 weeks, which we actually found that some of ours started laying at 16 weeks and some of them did not. So it's going to range in about that, but that is the range or average of when they will start to lay. I hear some talking over here right now. Now, they're super friendly and personable birds. They're great for families, and they just have an awesome personality. When they do lay, they are not too broody, so if you are going to want to turn their eggs into baby chicks, you are going to want to throw them into your incubator, which we love our Nurture Right 360 incubator. I'll provide a link of that down below. We've had so much success with that incubator, and as I talked about earlier, you're going to want to remember that because this is a sex-linked breed, they're not going to create Golden Comet offspring. So just keep in mind that it is going to be a little bit of a mixture. If you did want to create the Golden Comet, then you would need to get the New Hampshire rooster and the White Rock hen. But all in all, these are such an amazing bird. We've loved having them on our farm. We found that they get along really well with other chickens. They don't really contribute much to the pecking order, are not too dramatic, which is great. When we're introducing new chicks to the barn, we found that it's been not that much of a problem. And they're great for keeping in your barn as well as free ranging, which we do. They are always coming to their name when we call them in at night, and they've just been such a delight to have on our farm. I'd love to hear down in the comments below what type of chickens you have and what your favorite are and why you're thinking of adding the Golden Comet into your flock. That's it for today, and I'll see you guys again next time. Bye!